Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. Learning Fun Zone is a special place where we can learn all sorts of amazing topics in the most enjoyable way possible. Today, we are going to learn how to animate our games in Scratch. Follow along with me and let's get started. Here we are on the Scratch website and we have started a new project. Let us play with our name. So what is your name? How many letters does it have? So I will demonstrate you with the name of, let's say, Tom. Okay, so I will just create the animation for Tom, T-O-M. You can take your letters, you can take the letters of your choice, of your name, of your friend's name, or anything you like, and then let's start animating these letters. Alright, so here we can see we have different sprites over here. And we can select letters over here. So we want something T-O-M. So let us take this T and let us take O. Here if you go over here, you will go to letters directly. They have combined all the letters in this block. So we want O, and let us take one more, and let us delete this scratch cat for now. Awesome. So we have these three sprites. Now let us try to do something out of it. Let me click on T and let us go to events when this sprite is clicked. Are you able to see the screen? Oh. So over here, when this sprite is clicked, we want it to change the color effect. Okay, so we will go to looks and try to change it. If you go to looks, that is the blue blocks, you will see change the color effect by 25. Okay, so try this one. So every time I am running this, it is changing the color. Isn't it beautiful? So this number you can change and try different versions. So I will change it to 50 and see. Okay, so play around with this number and see what is the output that you get. So this is the first activity. So take the first letter and take the block from events, that is when this sprite is clicked, and go to looks and then change the color effect by that number. Okay, so is it doable? Awesome. So try to run this and see the output. Now let us add one more thing. So that's a great job. You are trying to change the color of the sprites. Now let us write some code for O. Now let us try the spin card. We have to drag the forever block from control category onto the script area. So let us drag it. We can now inside the forever loop, we can add the turn block under the motion category. Added this turn block. By default, the turn block is set to a number of 15 degrees, but you can change it to a small degree. So I will take it to 5 and let's see. So are you able to see? It is spinning. So when we have taken the forever block, it will keep on executing this particular instruction. So in this way, we have understood the forever loop. Isn't it awesome? Your letter is spinning continuously because of the forever loop. Now let us try play a sound card. Okay, so from the sound category, we have to drag the play sound block onto the script area. Let us go to the sound blocks. Okay, and let us say play sound pop until done. Okay, from the sound category, you can choose any sound. For now, it has taken pop sound, but you can choose any of yours. anything of your liking. So I will go to events. When this sprite is clicked, we will play pop sound. So whenever I click on M, we are getting this pop sound. If you want, you can change this. Just need to go to sounds and change it to anything else. So there are different sounds over here. Just make sure you check it out and add it. Okay, so I will change it to guitar sound. Awesome. Isn't that fun? So your letters are dancing around the stage, and for this we can add a backdrop as well. So go to choose a backdrop over here, and when we choose it, we will see different backdrops. Whatever you like, you can select this. So for now I will select this blue sky. Okay. Now let's try the change size card. From the looks category, we'll go to looks category and drag the set size to block onto the script area. So let us take this set size to block, and we will have to change the value to make the sprite little bigger or smaller. So we can change the size to 100% or we can reduce it. So if you want, you can make it 200%. And when I will click this, you can set it to 200%. So when I try to run this, you can see it is grown to the size of 200% and then it is rolling. So you know, if you want to change the size, what you can do is again go to looks and change the size, set the size and change it to 50%. So the size of M should shrink. It is reduced. Okay, let's learn how to. Now we have to replace space with the first letter of your name and then add any block that you want to happen with that press of that key, like playing a sound or changing the letters color or something like that. So when I will select T, we want it to do something. Okay, so we want it to say, what do you think? Hello, what is my name? You can take anything. So if I click on T, it is saying hello, what is my name? So the letters will respond to the corresponding key on your keyboards as well. So finally, let's try the glide around card now. So here we have these two glides. So this is the glide to the random position and this is the glide to particular position. Okay, so you can use any of them. So let us take it to X and Y. Okay, and we can set it to this position, -176. So here you can see the X and Y is -176 and 45. So I will put it as -176 and 45. And when particular sprite is clicked, it will go to this area. When I clicked on this, it is coming at this position. What will happen if we take the another glide? Go to motion, add it to random position. So whenever we click on T, it will move to any random position. Alright, congratulations! You have animated your name with all the cards we covered today. We learned so many new things and new ways of animating our letters. Try these fun animations with your name and your friend's name. Share it to them. There's always more to explore and discover. Until next time, keep the curiosity alive and learning is fun where you are in the learning fun zone.